Hey everybody, Gina DeLuca here again. So I'm on my fourth and final test of the Golden Fluid Acrylics. I have quinacridone magenta, primary yellow, and primary cyan. And I just have a bit left over from my last pours. So I'm going to do a flip and drag. So I'm going to do what I've done here. I have one of these tiny cups and I've poked some holes in the bottom and I cover it with tape so that when it's flipped I can pull the tape off and it seeps out easier. It doesn't form a vacuum. I'm doing a touch of white and I'm going to do the same order just because. Yellow, magenta, blue. I have added a few drops of the 3-in-1 silicone to these paints. And repeat. A flip and drag is the best way to use up just small amounts of leftover paint when you know it's not going to be enough for a flip cup, not quite enough to save. This is an excellent solution to using up those paints. Let the negative space work for you. And I'll just do a touch of white on top. Okay. Let's put down a base coat. Hope this is enough base coat. We are nice and evenly covered. I'm going to pop any bubbles. No silicone in the base coat. I need to hold that down because it wants to go. Just going to let those paints settle a little bit before I remove the tape. And try to not scrape the canvas. Alrighty, give a torch. Torch and a tilt. And once again, mud. I'm getting lots of mud. Very unfortunate. Trying to expose the colors that are I can see underneath. Okay, well there it is. I did get some mud. The colors that didn't turn muddy are very, very vibrant. But I also didn't get the typical cell action that I get. I mean, there are cells, but they look different than the cells I usually get. So, there it is. I'd have to say, until someone comes along and tells me what I'm doing wrong, I don't know that I would be using the fluid acrylics. It very well may be user error. It is quite possible and probable, but it's just not working for me. It would definitely require a lot more experimenting. Look at that muddy mess right there. Not so pretty. Olive green, funky color. Anywho. Thanks for watching and liking and sharing and subscribing and all that good stuff. Hope you guys learned something. I did. And y'all have a beautiful day. And go make some art.